Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing Don Lorenzo and your workspace for a single espresso. Use 18 grams of freshly ground coffee for one full 2-ounce shot. Heat water to 90 degrees Celsius and warm the metal portafilter for 30 seconds. Rinse the basket with hot water to stabilize temperature before dosing. Ensure the machine reservoir has filtered water to avoid mineral buildup and maintain pump health. Dose 18 grams of coffee evenly into the basket and distribute the grounds. Tamp the coffee with consistent force, applying about 30 pounds of pressure and a level finish. Lock the portafilter into Don Lorenzo and start the extraction immediately to maintain temperature stability. Pull the shot for about 25 seconds, aiming to yield 2 ounces of espresso from the 18 grams used. Adjust grind size, purge the steam wand for 2 seconds before inserting it into milk to avoid sputtering. Use about 120 milliliters of cold milk for one cappuccino and steam to 60 degrees Celsius, creating a silky microfoam texture. Wipe the wand immediately after steaming and purge again to clear milk residue and prevent bacterial growth. Backflush Don Lorenzo weekly with a blind filter and perform a full descale every 3 months using a manufacturer-safe cleaner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.